Welcome to CodePulse AI. This video will cover variable names and Python basics, teaching you smart coding with simple examples. Variable names can be short or descriptive. Examples include X, Y, full name, and first underscore name. Remember the rules for Python variables. They must start with a letter or an underscore, cannot start with a number, and only A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore characters are allowed. Python variables are also case sensitive, and you cannot use Python keywords as variable names. Casting in Python means converting a value from one data type to another. Python provides built-in functions to do this easily. Here are some simple examples. To check the data type of a variable, use the type function. For instance, print type C will output the type of variable C. In Python, variable names are case sensitive, which means variables with different letter cases are treated as two different variables. Let's have a look. There are common naming conventions in Python. These include camelCase, such as myVariable, PascalCase, like myVariable, and snake_case, exemplified by my_variable. You can assign multiple variables in one line. In this example, variables A, B, and C are assigned the values name, school, and class, respectively. You can also assign a single value to multiple variables simultaneously. In this example, X, Y, and Z all equal orange. Unpacking a collection allows you to extract values into variables. The list of animals is unpacked into X, Y, and Z. Global variables are declared outside of a function. The variable X is global, allowing the myfunc function to use it in its output. A variable with the same name inside a function becomes local, meaning it only exists within that function's scope, and the global variable remains unchanged. Let's have a look. Thank you for watching this video from CodePulse AI. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content.